Hi, welcome to my channel. Today let's talk about what I eat and my eating rules while doing the 18/6 intermittent fasting plan. The purpose of this video is to try to provide some ideas or guidelines if you are also interested in doing intermittent fasting. First thing first, let's talk about my eating rules. I have borrowed some ideas from Tim Ferriss' 4-Hour Body book, so if you're interested in that book, check it out. I will make a link down below in the description box. So my rule number 1 is no drinking calories. So no fancy coffees like mocha or lattes. So I don't even put milk into my coffee, only black coffee. Definitely no sodas or juices or alcohol. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is no white carbs. Nothing that can turn into white carbs super easily, like white rice, even brown rice or white bread. So for starch, I'm allowing myself to eat like sweet potatoes, that kind of sort of thing. So no white carbs. Rule number 3, no sweets or junk food. Here I'm talking about junk food in a very broad sense. So you really need to define what your junk food is, right? Eliminate those food, and then make a list of what you consider that are like healthier junk food that you can tolerate during your fasting, period of time. So this part you really have to think deeper, so when temptation occurs you don't just like lose it. Rule number 4, always have your food prepared the day before, right? So I have tried to do intermittent fasting for many times. I could never last very long because I never had my food prepared beforehand, right? So I will start to eat things just are convenient but not necessarily best for my fasting period of time. So always have your food prepared. That will keep you doing fasting longer than you can without a food prepared. Rule number 5 is to be compassionate to yourself, be kind to yourself. Like for instance, if we're still social animals, right? Even though we're doing fasting, we still have a social life. So if people offer you cookies or like you have some social events that you have to eat food that are not particularly fit in your fasting diet, and if you did it, right, for example, like you ate 1 or 2 cookies, you don't need to beat yourself up. You don't need to say, oh my god, I failed, how horrible, I'm on this fasting diet, but I eat cookies instead. So none of that. Just it was yummy, I enjoyed the cookie, but it doesn't mean that I should give up on this fasting challenge. I should just forgive myself, be kind to myself. I enjoyed that cookie, but I'm gonna move on, and tomorrow is a new day. I'm gonna try my best to stay on my plan, right? Because a lot of people just give up when they make the small mistakes when they're doing dieting. I hope you found this video useful. If you're curious about what I eat, how I prepare my food while doing intermittent fasting, please subscribe this channel and like this video. I will keep you guys updated about my 7-day challenge. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.